When it comes to creating amazing 3D models or 3D environments in Blender, there are a few Blender add-ons in Blender Market that can help you get the job done faster and better, and take your projects to the next level. Welcome to Real Pencil, the revolutionary add-on that allows you to display the pen and work in Blender. If you're someone who loves working with a pen tablet or uploading tutorials on YouTube, this is definitely the add-on for you. Real Pencil is a 3D pen that follows your cursor, making it easy to add a touch of realism to your demos and tutorials. It's also an incredibly useful tool for sculpting and animation, as it allows you to record tablet movement with the mocap feature to create an animation. And with more than 10 types of pen and paper models included, you'll never be short of options. Using Real Pencil is incredibly easy. All you need to do is install the add-on and then you'll be good to go. You can even use a mouse, although tilt detection is not supported. With this add-on, you can easily add a 3D pen to your work, making it look more realistic and professional. So, if you're looking for an easy way to add a touch of realism to your demos, tutorials and sculpting projects, look no further than Real Pencil. With its user-friendly interface and range of features, it's the perfect add-on for anyone who wants to take their work to the next level.